Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install PowerShell 7.62 on Windows operating system. To get the software in Google search box, write there PowerShell for Windows. Then go on this Microsoft.com site. Click this. Thereafter install for Windows 7, PowerShell 7. Here you can get this WinGet MSI, this all file. Let's click on this MSI package. So when you click, and hereafter PowerShell 7.62 Windows MSI file. So first option, that's clicking there. So now you can see the file that's come there 109 MB. Click on this start download. So file is downloading. If I scroll back here, you can see or this place you can get there WinGet file, MSI zip file. You can try. So here for WinGet you have this option. You can use this command to get the 7.62. Now let's see the status to download. Only 3 seconds. So file that's downloaded. Simply you need to click on this open. So installation wizard that's come there. Click on next, next, next. Here this is for update recommended. So now click on this next and now click on install button. From Microsoft Corporation, click on yes button. And here you can see PowerShell 7 is now currently installing inside your Windows operating system. Here you can see the status updating the component registration. Please wait while the setup wizard install PowerShell 7. Now you can see installation completed, successful. Click on finish. Thereafter open there command prompt. There you can check the version of this PowerShell and open the PowerShell. So if I write there pwsh minus minus version, so you can see 762 that install. If I write there pwsh, then you can come inside the PowerShell console. So here you can see PS and this is the location. If I write there dir, so this you can see the file inside there. Now thereafter print the hello world. So you can write the command, write that host, then or here double quote hello world. Thereafter here you can see hello world, that's a display. Thereafter you can try any command there. So this is how we can install this PowerShell 762 on Windows. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.